Imagine discovering that an extinct human species is still alive, not hidden in a remote jungle, not frozen beneath Arctic ice, not waiting inside an unexplored cave. Instead, it's living inside millions of people around the world, including, perhaps, you. For thousands of years, this ancient human vanished from history. It was as if they had been erased from time itself. Yet today, pieces of their story are carried inside our DNA. How is that possible? Scientists believed the story of human evolution was complete. Then one tiny discovery changed everything. Deep inside Denisova Cave, archaeologists uncovered a tiny finger bone. The DNA matched neither humans nor Neanderthals. The world would come to know them by the name of the cave where they were first identified, the Denisovans. But who were they? Nearly 100,000 years ago, Earth looked very different. Giant mammals ruled the landscape. And somewhere in this frozen world, another kind of human was thriving. They weren't monsters, they weren't primitive beasts, they were people. They loved, they hunted, they survived, just as our ancestors did. But unlike Neanderthals, the Denisovans left behind almost no fossils. Scientists knew more about them from DNA than from their skeletons. Every new genetic discovery revealed another piece of the puzzle. And the more scientists learned, the stranger the story became. They weren't confined to one cave. They were remarkably adaptable. Then came the discovery that changed everything. The Denisovans hadn't lived alone. They had met us. For thousands of years, Denisovans and modern humans shared the same world. Eventually, their paths crossed. They weren't enemies. They weren't strangers forever. They became part of each other's story. Modern genetics tells us something extraordinary. Some Denisovans and modern humans had children together. Their descendants carried DNA from both lineages. Most of those ancient DNA fragments disappeared. Some survived. Those surviving fragments are still present today. Tiny pieces of a forgotten human story still exist inside living genomes. One remarkable example comes from the Tibetan Plateau. Some Tibetan populations carry a Denisovan-derived genetic variant, associated with high-altitude adaptation. An encounter tens of thousands of years ago may still influence life today. Suddenly, human evolution no longer looked like a straight line. It looked more like a braided river, where different human groups met, separated, and sometimes came together again. And if one forgotten human species remained hidden until the 21st century, what else is still waiting to be discovered? The discovery of the Denisovans answered one mystery but created many more. How many Denisovans lived across ancient Asia? What languages, if any, did they speak? What knowledge disappeared with them? Some answers may still be buried beneath layers of earth, waiting to be discovered. Every year, new discoveries reshape our understanding of the human story. Human evolution wasn't a straight line. It was a vast network of journeys, encounters, and shared ancestry. The Denisovans remind us history is never truly finished. Sometimes, one tiny fossil can rewrite an entire chapter of humanity. Somewhere, another discovery may already be waiting. Hidden beneath stone, or perhaps inside fossils that have yet to reveal all their secrets. The Denisovans may have vanished, but their story didn't. Because every one of us carries the story of countless generations. The past isn't gone, it lives through us. We often imagine history as something locked in museums or buried beneath the earth, but sometimes history is carried within us. If this journey changed the way you see human evolution, subscribe to Exo Ancestry and next, discover another astonishing chapter